It's a new night.
Wow. Okay, turn on the light. Let me see if we can get this.
Look how me asked to do that. Turn on the light, Drea. So we took some pictures. Feel like we could have bed again. Oh no. How the blue side blow?
Some malfunction. I think if you touch up the wing, actually squeeze up into the thing.
Yeah.
It might come back. What a picturesque. Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. So serene.
Oh, find my phone. Somebody ring my phone now.
Oh, your phone is?
No.
Oh, this is recording. Jody.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm going to stop this.